Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious eggless banana bread using an easy method. First, select very ripe bananas. They provide natural sweetness and moisture. For egg substitutes, you can use 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce or 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water per egg. These options help bind the ingredients and contribute to a moist crumb. Next, let's prepare the batter. Mash about 3 medium-ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth, leaving a few small lumps for texture if you like. Then, add your chosen egg substitute, melted butter or oil, sugar, and vanilla extract, mixing well. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, stirring until just combined to avoid a tough bread. Now it's time to bake your banana bread. Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures a perfect texture. For delicious variations, consider adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or pecans to your batter. Store any leftover banana bread in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment. And hey, while you're making your home smell amazing, why not keep your car fresh too? Life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.